A minus, huh?
You proud of me?
Very proud. Minus. Gotta go hit the books again. Get up there.
C minus. C-M-I-N-E-S.
Did you even study?
No, I didn't.
Wow, how impressive is that?
Well, the bar for the refrigerator has been lowered, huh? All I'm saying, Lindsay, is that, you might want to push her a little bit because a kid without discipline can get into some pretty tough stuff.
So you think she's gonna suddenly turn to drugs because she got a C+?
Minus. And yes, I think that without boundaries, a kid can get into trouble. And yes, sometimes that could mean drugs.
Well, I think stress is what leads to trouble. You know, the kind you put on George Michael even when he gets an A?
Minus. And an A gets him ice cream. He knows that.